Hi guys, good morning. She's back to ride mommy shop to sell. It's tiny. We're here now, so I don't look what the job looks like. It's called American. And the line. So hi guys, we're here now. My mom was gonna go get the second box. So I'm just gonna stay here. Also, anyways, we were there last time, and now we're in this one. So look.
Time check, it's 10:30 and tingnan nyo ang ating Ate Paris ay ayan, magawa. So here is our rack guys. Nandito kami sa pinakalikuran. Last 2 Sundays dyan kami and dito kami lagay this week. So yeah, it's already 2 hours and a half past. Good job, Baba Bill. Yeah, till 12 o'clock, nandito kami guys. May mga tao pa naman na pumapasok. Hi guys! Malapit nang mag 2 o'clock. Kakarating lang namin ni Ate Paris dito sa bahay. So, galing kami sa Melbourne studio para magbenta. And I'm super hungry na. Nag-stop kami kanina sa bakery para bumili ng something na makakain. Ina-unload lang namin ngayon yung sasakyan. Everything. Dapat sana kasi nakain kami sa labas ni Ate Paris. Kasi, ano yun, treat namin yung mga sarili namin. Kasi, we work so hard today. Kaya lang, natatakot akong i-park yung sasakyan outside ng restaurant. Kasi maraming laman ba? Kaya umuwi lang kami dito sa bahay and pinapa-unload ko kay Daddy Mike yung mga gamit and tsaka na kami papasok sa taas. Sakit-sakit ng aking guys. Uy, meron na naman tayong mouth ulcer. Ito talaga yung nangyayari kapag na-stress si mami nyo. Agad-agad ay nagkakaroon ako ng mouth ulcer guys. You know, this is my first vlog after what happened to the box, yung ninakaw na box ni mami nyo. You saw that last video. I was very, very upset. But today, I got up and yun ang sabi nila na if you fall, just dust yourself off and get back in your saddle. So that's what I did today. And Ate Paris came with me. She loves doing it. Kaninang umaga, sobrang aga namin nagising, like 5. And then nag-ready, and then drove to the studio. So I'm very sleepy guys, very tired and so hungry kasi hindi pa ako nakapag-lunch. Nakita ko sa inyo yung dito, sitwasyon namin dito sa loob. Tingnan nyo ang ating Ate Paris. Tulog na tulog guys. She's very tired but ayun siya. Gusto niya talaga sa mama. Tingnan niyo, nagkalandrakas na dito. Alam niyo ba? Kasi kapag 12 o'clock na kailangan mag-pack up. So minsan hindi ko na na-organize guys. Pasok na lang kaagad sa sasakyan para makaalis. Kasi kailangan ng mag-close na yung studio at 12. Okay. Binili. Yung binili ko for lunch. Meron tayong chicken curry rice. I can't wait to eat. Even though masakit yung yung dila ko. Ate, come na. We're home. We're home. Isa na lang yung naiwan. Ito mga bags to. We had a good day. Thanks God. Come on na, anak. Dagat na. Big girl. Thank you for carrying it. Good girl. Turn the car off now. Hindi ko pa nakita si Celine today. Ayan, 1:44 na ng hapon. Oh. Thank you, Baba. Let's go so we can eat. I got you a sausage roll. We're in. Sige, talaga ng bilang ko, guys. How did we go, Ate? How did we go? Good? Hello? Hello? Hi, my baby! What happened to your nose?
I got surprise, Mommy. I got surprise, Mommy. I got surprise.
You a surprise?
Yeah.
Kiss mommy! Kiss mommy! There, kiss mommy! I love you!
I got surprise.
I got a surprise. Okay, I got a surprise for you. What happened to your nose? Did you write on your nose?
What?
Did you write something on your nose?
Shower?
You see that. What did you have for lunch?
Coffee.
Huh?
Coffee.
Ate!
What did you have for lunch?
Sausage roll for Ate Paris. Come on, Te. We'll count how much we made
I
today.
got surprise. I got surprise, Mommy.
Ooh, look at this. Say hi here first. Say hi.
Hi. Oh, yeah, Auntie.
Yes, after the lunch.
What else did you have for lunch?
Michelle?
Auntie. Auntie.
Not yet. Tati's eating our food first.
Ate will have the thing first.
Are you tired and Tati?
Mama's gonna have
Tati
these.
tired?
Yeah, we're gonna have a nap, honey.
Okay.
Okay?
Man, we need something, didn't we?
Careful there, Baba.
We need something to eat. Ask Winnie what you have for lunch.
What did you have for lunch, baby girl?
Coffee.
Coffee, huh?
What else? Chicken.
Did you have Nando's?
You go Nando's? Oh. Ayan ang ating pa-outfit today, guys. Sa ating
Wait, then look at that skinny.
Na?
I'm saying look at that.
Yeah, it's really different.
Because I dried it.
Ate Paris' outfit for today. What? Sayo sliding. Wanna go down?
Heavy.
Have a look. Do you wanna see what you did to your nose? Ah! What happened to your nose? Kakalabas lang niya, oh. Nag-shower pala siya.
Carry me, Mama. How can I see?
Look, show Ate your nose.
What's that? That looks like Japanese one.
It's spin, silly girl. Go, go. And the Louie, ayan, naligo pala si Louie tsaka si Baby Celine. Guys, tingnan niyo si Louie. He looks so different.
No, what's the money?
Pag bagong ligo.
It's another coffee.
Huh?
Right?
No, that's not today.
What's that
I'll
last?
show you. Someone's coming soon too. So, have a look at the bed. Wow, tingnan niyo.
Daddy!
Ang sila nakita namin.
Daddy! Daddy, you get cookie.
To, walang masyadong cash kasi mostly nagbayad ng card. Oh, diba? May benta kami today.
I like how.
Ating cashier.
Wait.
50, 60. Wait. Is it 70? 70? I'm not like on 50.
Yeah.
50. I'll count this.
50, 150.
I'm gonna count it.
200. 250.
Yeah. I'm gonna count.
And this?
1050?
No, 250. 260.
No, yeah.
270.
Mommy, I can't.
290.
290?
Yeah, 290. No, yeah, 290. Yeah. That's at the Paris. Here's the money for today. Lucky girl. 290. Put it in our box.
Mommy!
Yes, baby girl.
I think that's last week's.
No, that's, yeah, this week's that.
yeah.
Don't you put it here on top?
Uy! Get the
Mommy, put it on top.
Yeah, just put it on top, honey. And then, the card payment.
I got 20 bucks. Got 20 bucks, guys.
Thank you for helping out today, Ate.
Welcome.
That's it, mommy?
She is.
I'm gonna.
Did you have fun, Ate?
Yeah.
Time flies. When you get there, like seriously, the first hour, that's like, oh, it's so busy. Then when like it's quiet, and then like the next minute, it's like home time.
Show me.
12.
How much was the cash in it?
90?
250.
290.
Oh, 290. You like it? Mama. 290. Mama.
Show me.
Oh, let's see. Where's my money?
Really? Mommy's made 1,000 today. You happy? Huh?
It's tiring, guys. Alam niyo yun, but very worth it kapag nakabenta ka, you know? Kulangan yung mga stock mo. Para, ano din, nakalimutan ko kunti yung ating box na nawala. Oh my God. Ngayon, tinatawanan na lang, guys. Wala na talagang pag-asa. Uy, that's Ate's na. That's Ate's. You can have this one. Ate?
I got your food.
Ate?
Ate!
Have this one now, please.
Have this one? No.
Yan ang ating lunch. Nainit ka na.
That's yours.
Chicken curry and rice. Eat na so you can have a nap, okay?
No.
Oh no, you're gonna eat this first. Before this. This is for treat.
I know. So I can have that. Go. This is funny.
You're so funny. So it's now Monday. Kahapon, hindi na natin natapos yung vlog natin, guys. Kasi pagka uwi namin kahapon, kumain ako ng lunch. And then Daddy Mike insisted na magnanap kami ni Ate Paris. And Ate Paris did not, but Mommy did. Kasi nakatulog na si Ate Paris sa sasakyan, di ba? On our way home. So, nakatulog ako, guys. At alam niyo ba, hindi ako ginising ni Daddy Mike. Pagkagising ko, Daddy Mike is putting Paris to sleep na. It was 8 o'clock. So, grabe, haba ng tulog ko, guys. Grabe, I'm so tired. Like, my mind and my body is bagged. Like, sobrang pagod, guys. Kaya, yeah, hindi na natapos yung vlog. So, ngayon, 2:45, andito kami sa harapan ng school ni Ate Paris kasi we are picking her up. Kasama tong bulinggit na to. Oh. Very noisy. Ang sakit-sakit pa magsalita, guys. Oh my God. Alam niyo ba? Lumaki yung mouth ulcer ko dito sa dila ko, guys. Nagbook ako ng appointment bukas para kitain yung doktor kasi magpapa-general check-up ako. Kasi alam niyo, like, I just don't feel 100%. And alam ko yung sarili ko, guys, na there's, you know, something a little bit off. Kaya bukas ng hapon ay mapacheck si mami niyo.
No.
Just ano
Sabi
general.
na, sabi. Anyway.
And before tayo uwi,
Baba.
magpo-post tayo. So may nabenta si mami niya dalawa sa eBay. So ayan, nakapack na yung isa guys. Ito yung Gucci na shoes. Nabenta na. And then this bag, hindi pa napack kasi yung top bag na meron ako sa bahay ay large lang. This one needs like extra large. Itong bag na to, it's from Marc Jacobs. Then yun. Hindi maganda yung ating camera guys kasi phone yung gamit ko. But this is the bag. Sobrang ganda niya. And yeah, she grabbed it for like a really. Hello.
Did you bring my tiny box? You said?
Come this way, we'll walk in the car. Magluluto tayo ng dinner guys. Magtitinola tayo tonight. Ito lang yung nakita ko na may mga buto-buto. So, wing nibbles. Meron tayong, ito yung spinach na gagamitin natin. Tapos si Sheena, binigyan niya ako nito. Sayote. And meron tayong ganito. So, easy lang ang ating dinner tonight. What are you doing? Look, this one is very sleepy kasi hindi nag-nap. Yak. Sakit pa naman ng dila ko. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Can you help me with this? Can you help me peel it? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, Lord. Very dangerous though. You want me to do it?
I'll do it.
Wait. Come here and say hi. Okay. Hey, my big boy. Such a big boy. This way. Such a big boy.